Hello. Now we will see how to add bootstrap to Angular application. So let us go to our first example and you can come back to Angular examples folder and example. So if we start now, it will start the project. ngserve open. If you open this, it will start the project. So where we stopped in previous session, it will open the ngserve open. So application will be opened. Now for this project we are going to add bootstrap to Angular application. So bootstrap is working based on the jQuery only. So for that jQuery we need to get that jQuery features. So for getting jQuery features we need to install npm install jQuery. So here this page has been opened. So like yesterday we have done this page. So for our convenience we can make the things like we can modify that HTML. I am deleting entire content. Here I am deleting entire content. So I am creating h1 and h2, and you can say that my first example and second header. So you can save it. Then this one. So now our target is we need to apply bootstrap to our Angular application so that this font should change. It will look like as like a bootstrap application. So we need to add it. Let us close the application. Now it is stopping. Now we need to add bootstrap. So npm install. Earlier we did not add. So now only we are adding npm install jQuery hyphen hyphen save. So it will install the jQuery features. Along with this, we can also install popper.js and bootstrap and font have some. So some of the features, whatever the features we need, we can add. So since the font is involved, we can add font size also. So this has been done. jQuery features we have downloaded and installed. Now I will install npm install popper.js hyphen hyphen save. So it will install the popper.js. So it will take few seconds of time. Now it is installed. Now we need to install npm install bootstrap hyphen hyphen save. So if you are not giving bootstrap, latest version it would be installed. That is the reason we are giving plain bootstrap, plain jQuery, plain popper.js. Likewise, we are giving. So why we are installing means for achieving bootstrap to our Angular application. So next one is npm install font awesome hyphen hyphen save. This one also will be installed. If any syntactical mistakes are there, it will not be installed. So we must be very careful with the syntax. Now with this we have done all the installations. Now go back to our application and few adjustments we need to do for achieving bootstrap. Few adjustments we need to do. So go to Visual Studio and open our application. So here our application is there example, and you can refresh all the features, it will come. Okay, now go to this style.css, and normally it should be style.scss. So now it is a style.cs. Now it should be converted as a style.scss. What stands for scss means it is a SASE cascading style sheet. So is one of the two syntaxes available for the popular CSS preprocessor SAS. So syntactically have some style sheet. It can be used to style. Okay, so the visual representation will be changed. So here we need to make it style.css. Okay, so for that what we need to do is, again we need to install npm install style scss. Likewise, we need to install. So that one is like you can install like npm install style equal to scss hyphen routing. So it will install. Once it is installed, we can go and verify whether scss is available or not. You can refresh. So here, while creating the application, if we can create, it will come, or else you can also rename scss. This is like scss you can create. It will be created. So this one is giving some error. Okay, we will do again rename back to css style.css. So now it is not giving any error. No problem. We can go here and check angular.json. It will be here two things, style and css is there. So scss we need to do. So I'll copy paste the code for saving of the time. So this one I am copy pasting because we have already installed. Then we need to add these features here also. So I am adding this scss and scripts. Now I will save this angular.json. So I think this script is not required now. Now no error. Along with that, we need to add some imports. We need to add index.html, and here we will be having style.css. So we need to add some import. Take this import and add in style.css. So style.css, you can add the import. This is the import. Now we have done everything. We have done style.css. Now whether our font will change differently or not. Now this is a normal plain old. It is showing. After running this, whether we will get any change or not, we will see. ng serve hyphen open. If it is not properly configured, then your text will not be changed. It will look like same only, same old kind of it will look. If bootstrap is recognized, then this will look different manner. So then we can recognize that bootstrap is properly configured. So let us see. Once it is running, we will see. If any npms are missed, then it may not run properly, but it will see. Earlier this look was different, now it is a properly bootstrap is added. So that is the reason we are calling as how to add bootstrap to Angular application. So earlier one is different and this one is different. If you see, you can stop and see. Then earlier one is this one, so now this is this one. So you can differentiate the difference. And this one is bootstrap with bootstrap, and this one is without bootstrap. I think page got refreshed, so that is the reason this one also got changed. But earlier you have seen that without bootstrap. So what and all we have done means we have added some features, like you have gone to this index angular.json. So whenever application is running, so this Visual Studio and this application will run from here angular.json, and it will recognize style and scripting files. So style sheets it will be defined here, and scripting files would be defined here. So this path node underscore module jQuery dist, how we are picking up. So when we are installing npm install, this jQuery.js, popper.js, bootstrap.js will be installed in this location. So how we can locate that place means we can visit that project and you can verify. So our path is Angular example and node underscore module, and here what we have given node under bootstrap dist css. So bootstrap, you can visit bootstrap. This is the bootstrap. Now dist, and here again css. So there what we have given bootstrap.css. So in our application bootstrap.css we have given. So this one is installed during the npm installation. Once we installed, we have to open the project and we have to define these things. After this, we have to visit style.css and we have to give import this command. This one also bootstrap dist css bootstrap.css. Then only our html page look and feel would be changed. Suppose if you want to change modified, then save it and run, you will see the difference. File modified, it got refreshed. File modified, it got automatically refreshed. So this is about how to add bootstrap feature to Angular application.